Top of the morning, back at it again with another one. And today we're looking at the Nasdaq. If you watched yesterday's video, you know what time it is. We got that movement finally to that daily order block level after tapping through the all-time or the previous all-time high. Stroke that, or we tagged it, pushed to the downside, order block level. We have some red folder news events today. We might get the reversal from this level. I'm not too sure, but we'll see what it is. Um, I'm gonna be detailing the trade that played out for the silver bullet for Thursday and read out an excerpt from my journal from what I learned because I believe the info will be quite valuable to everyone. I'll just start off by reading the excerpt. And it goes like this: 14th November 2024. Note to self: micromanaging can destroy your edge and results. You think you're making smart decisions, but they end up costing you money. Pre plan your trades in advance. Set alerts at specific levels. When do you go to break even? When do you take partials and how much? When do you close the trade out? So, what's the stop loss or the invalidation level? Where do you take your final take profit, right? Your overall target area. Do you leave a runner after that? And when do you take a partial loss? I have been losing too much and missing winners because of doubt. I need to pre-plan my trades beforehand. I'm gonna go down to a lower time frame, 5 minutes specifically, just to show you what happened, what I was thinking initially, which is what I should have stuck with, and what I ended up doing. So cool. Market yesterday opened up 9:30. We pushed up, and then price shot down. We opened up this solid 5 minute bearish fair value gap, as you can see. When I got to my chart just before 10, I was like, I'm selling. I placed the sell. Stop loss was above this range high there, and I was targeting, like I said, this green line that price got to, right? So it was like the candles were weird, man. We had Fed Chair Powell speaking yesterday. So the AM session had high resistance conditions. You can look how nasty these candles were printing, how nasty they printing, and then we had that impulse to the downside. I thought I was on side, and I got my confidence back. Right, the candles kept on printing, and we had this fair value gap open up. I saw the price push up and close, and then I saw this candle go down and tap, and then close in this manner. As you can see, that long tail doji. I went long around in this area here, targeting this double top here, or these relative equal highs, as you can see. That was my first TP. My overall TP was the previous, like, that swing over there, right? So cool. I go in long. I closed my initial short, right? My short, going short, take profit was up there. I now go long. The long long stop loss, sorry. Short, my sell stop loss is over there. My long stop loss is over there. Sorry, I jumbled up my words a bit. They just had to clear it out. So cool, we're going long, yada 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 yada. It reverses, it stops me out, and then it ends up reversing and going in the original direction of the original trade idea that we had. And looking back at the result, one thing is for sure, and that's I did not pre-plan the trade beforehand, because if everything is pre-planned, I know what my invalidation points are, what areas and such are, and also selecting a position size which is insignificant enough for me not to lose sleep or to micromanage the position. I need to also fully accept the risk behind the trade and accept that it could go my way or it could not go the opposite way. The only thing I have control over is where my stop loss and take profits and partial loss levels and partial profit levels are. That's it. It didn't invalidate the short idea. If it went above this swing high, then the short idea would have been invalidated. But all in all, the short was still valid. it was still valid. We got a fair value gap open within the opening range of the session. So opening range is between 9:30 and 10 a.m. Fair value gaps and PDRAs such as your order blocks, breakers, etc., etc. I personally look out only for fair value gaps because those give me so much. They give me a target, exit point, um, entry point, bias. If a bullish fair value gap is respected, price is gonna be bullish. If a bullish fair value gap is disrespected, price is gonna be bearish. And flip the script as well for the opposite scenario. So I feel like the fair value gap is the perfect or the ultimate PDRA in my humble personal opinion. So cool. The sell idea didn't get invalidated. I just got spooked out, and then I was like, I guess I didn't want to take the loss because for the past like couple of days I've just been having a win streak, so I didn't want to put an end to that. I walked away yesterday with the closing out of the two trades in profit of like about $4, everything put together. So technically the win streak continues, but I just need to be sharper for execution wise. It's Friday today, the 15th. I don't know if I'm participating. We have high impact news drivers data. I'll probably just tape read, but I have some personal affairs that I need to tend to, so I'm not really sure if I'll be able to do the things. But be that as it may, man, beautiful trade, beautiful sell. Be sure to check it out by yourself. But just note to self, man, please plan the trades because this is ridiculous. I can't be losing out on 300 point screamers, Doesn't make any sense. None whatsoever. But anyway, without going too far, thank God for the skill, more life, and I'll catch you in the next video.